Hello. Today's a beautiful day. It's gonna be 80 degrees today, March. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do that. We're gonna ride my new to me motorcycle today. We'll take it up to Vogel State Park. They got the lake drained up there. I've never seen that before, so we're gonna check that out. I bought this about 6 months ago. I put about 1,000 miles on it. It's a good little bike. So far, I like it. You know, for an India-made motorcycle, I'll have to say it's okay. All right, let's go riding. Waiting on a friend to get here, and then we're gonna hit it up. Yeah, we'll get on the big road and go. Vogel State Park drained. 2026. Wow. Should have brought my drone. There's the beach we all played in as a kid. Vogel State Park, drained. Pretty cold, man. Vogel State Park, drained lake. Yeah. Well, can you imagine what Lake Lanier would look like drained, man?
Man, the cars and
See that fucking trash dump, man.
cars and dead bodies and beer cans. And I've been out there when it was really low. You could walk way out there.
Oh, I have too.
Yeah, there'd been a few years it was really, really low.